Hi everyone, welcome back. So they are cat eyes. Oh my gosh, silly me. I was looking at the bottle when I was doing the voiceover. I looked at the bottle and I was like, hang on a minute, are they cat eyes? But I'd already done the set, and I was like, nah, because on the top usually they have like it displayed as a cat eye. So I was like, no, it can't be. And then I was adding stuff to the description box for the video last night. And I had to find out what the collection was called. It's called Magnetic Love. And I was like, oh my gosh, it is a cat eye. And yeah, so we're going to quickly do all of them again. Well, just the four glitter ones, and show you the difference between not using a magnet and then using a magnet on it. Because honestly, you don't even need to use the cat eye effect on it. They are gorgeous glitters. But yeah, silly me. I kind of, when I was doing this, I've only like just recorded this, and there's not that much difference in my opinion between using the magnet and not using the magnet. I think if anything, it just makes them a little bit more shiny, a little bit more like flash reflective almost, but there is that subtle difference. But yeah, you'll see. Can you see? It's a bit more silver, a bit more shiny, a bit more flashy on the left. But it's kind of the same. I don't know. But I think if wearing them, I think it would depend on the set that I was doing, whether I would choose to use the magnet, the cat eye effect from them. The Moonlit Romance one, the last one that I actually do for this video, I think has the best effect, and probably this one too. I think the darker the colours have the better effect. I mean, we could put a black behind as a base before we do the glitter cat eye. I don't know whether that will make much difference because they are super pigmented. They're not sheer at all. So I don't know whether doing the black would actually help it or not, but you could give it a go. But I felt like face in hand. Once I found out that they are cat eyes, I was just, now I have to go back and not redo it, but show you that what they can do. So, like I said, it is very subtle, whether you choose to use the magnet or not. But cat eyes are everywhere at the minute, aren't they? So they were a massive thing a few years back, but it seems to be like 2025, just cat eye everywhere. I also don't know whether the difference is showing up on camera or not. Obviously, it's better in real life, in the natural light, and you can see it a lot clearer. I don't know whether you can see it very well, basically. But let me know. What would you prefer to do? If you had this set, if you had this collection, would you use the cat eye effect, or would you just keep it as a glitter gel polish? Because the difference is so subtle. But maybe that's all you're looking for. Maybe you love the cat eye effect, but you don't like those in your face ones. Personally, I do. I think the more the better when it comes to cat eye. I'm not a fan of the super subtle ones, but maybe that's what you prefer. You prefer the subtle shimmer. You know, we're all different. So if you watched last night's video and now you're watching this one, should I have gone in with the magnet, or do you think it was okay by itself without me realising that they actually are cat eyes? Yeah, the difference is so subtle, I don't think it mattered that much, to be honest. But let me know what you think. And I'm going to put them all together. So I will do all the swatches from yesterday and today, and I'll put them next to each other so that you can see all of them together and the difference in all of them. So I've showed you them individually. Like I said, the difference is very subtle. But here they are all together, and you can actually see. So we've gone normal, magnet, no magnet, magnet, no magnet, magnet, you know. Yeah, I don't know. I think it makes them a little bit brighter, especially the two darker pink ones, the Love's Abyss and the Sparkly Hearts, but I don't know. What do you think? So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.